In this short tutorial, you will learn a simple and quick way to offload unused apps on your iPhone. Having too many apps that you no longer use can slow down your device and take up valuable storage space. Offloading unused apps is a great way to free up space and improve the performance of your iPhone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called App Store. Once you've found it, tap on it. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you will see the Offload Unused Apps option. Automatically remove unused apps, but keep all documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So to enable this option, simply toggle on this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.